everyone. So here is our 100's chart, colored just like Mrs. LaRue asked us. She asked us to color all the 2s, so 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 in yellow, to color the 5s in purple, and to color the 10s in green. So if you notice here at the end, I have all these, the 10s, colored in yellow, purple, and green, because you probably ran into the same problem and thought, what should I do? Because when I count by 2s, this one, the 10s column, is one of the numbers that I would hit on when I count by 2s. It's also, when I count by 5s, it's also this one, and it's by 10. So what should I do? So I decided to color the 10s column each of the colors, because that's what it is. It is a 2s, 5s, and a 10s number. So that's why I colored it in all 3 of the colors. So now that I have my 100's frame all colored, I cut it up in lengthwise strips. So the top line, cut that out, cut the next one out, cut all of them out so that you have 10 individual strips. Then I want you to put them in a line. So I'm going to start, and I'm going to start with the first one, and I'm going to bring it over here, and I'm going to make a line. I'm going to take all of these and put them in a line to make a number line. So once you have that done, then we'll move on to the next step. Next, I need the 60, 70, 80, and 90s. There we go. Now that I have them all in a straight line, I have made a number line out of my 100's chart going all the way to 100. Look how long my number line is. I wonder how long yours is. We all had number lines on our desks, but none of our number lines were this long. I think in our class, our number lines only went to 10 or to 20, so they were nice and small. So next, I want to point something out to you. When you look at this number line and you see all the colors, it makes counting by 2s or 5s or 10s really easy, because our brains love to see colors. So let's count by 2s to 20, and let's only look at the yellow numbers. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. So when we see the colors, our brains know that we are counting by the yellow numbers, and it helps our brains to see what number comes next. Now, sometimes we struggle a little bit with counting backwards because our brains right away can't remember what would come 2 before, so 10, 8. But if we use the colors to help our brains remember counting backwards, then it will help us. So let's try counting by 2s backwards from 20. So remember, look at the yellow numbers. 20, 18, 16, 14, 12, 10, 8, 6, 4, 2. So these colors are really going to help your brain remember what needs to come next. So if you went all the way down the number line to 100 and you wanted to count by 5s backwards, you would look at the purple numbers. 100, 95, 90, 85, 80, 75, 70, 65, 60, and all the way to 5 and then 0. So the colors are really going to help you remember what number comes next when you are skip counting, especially with counting backwards. So today I want you to practice counting backwards and use the colors to help you skip count, because we have a little bit of troubles with our counting backwards, and that's okay, because counting backwards is a little bit tricky. So I want you to use the colored numbers to help you to count backwards. Maybe even the white numbers, which are odd numbers. So remember, an odd number means you can't divide this evenly. So if I have 3 candies, my friends can't share 3 candies equally. So these are odd numbers. So use the white numbers to help you count the odd numbers. Have fun and good luck. Bye.